the man This is the man, this is the significance of man who is going to dissolve its own, and the result is the shadow of the man who couldn't find its life.